All right, so we are back here with the contracts, invoices, proposals, free video course. And what we're going to do today is we're going to get the basics set up so that you can actually start doing these things. This is going to be a look over my shoulder walkthrough of setting up new accounts on Dubsado and Stripe. If you've got any questions, if anything's unclear, do leave a comment below. And yeah, I'll get to them as soon as I can. There will be links in the description. One of them is an affiliate link to Dubsado. If you use that, I get a free month. If you don't use it, that's cool. If you do use it, like I said, I get a free month, and you will also get 20% off your first paid month, or if you go for the full year, 20% off that paid year when you decide it's time to upgrade to the full account on Dubsado. Enough of that, let's get involved. So here is my screen. Here we are. Right, I'm doing this all in incognito so that there is no stuff that's pulled in from my current accounts, and like we're going to set this up from scratch basically. What I should also do is I should turn off keywords everywhere. What am I doing? All right, so Dubsado, here we are, homepage, and we want to go start a free trial. Up in the top right, or this one down here, first name, coupon referral code PJ Boyle. That's the one that will be my referral code. How did you hear about us? From Pete. Email. Oh, I set up a test email for this. pbvidtest. Oh my god. pbvidtest@gmail. Password. Oh, can I not just... There we go, that'll do. I agree to the Dubsado. Cool, perfect. So you've signed up. Basic stuff. Welcome to your brand new Dubsado. Boom. All right, so they do offer a bunch of stuff in app to help you get set up. This is quite a cool little thing. So we're going to go through this step by step. You need the basic information of your company, whether you are established as an LTD, if you're in the UK, and an LLC if you're in the US, whether you are working as a sole trader, sole proprietorship, doesn't matter. You need to include all of these details here because this is what they're going to pull from when it does the auto merge of details for your brand in the contracts. This is the details they're going to pull about your brand name, your personal name, your address, so that the contract is relevant for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to do all of this over here. Brand name, we're going to go company. The phone is going to be plus 44234556. Perfect. An image of your logo, and that is what they will place at the top of the like invoices and contracts and everything like that of your brand. Let's just go with any old image here. Oh look, these are images from Have a Word. Honestly, did not plan that. Perfect. Cool. Address, so we're going to go 123 Main Street, Central Area, big city, state. Ooh, they're going to ask for my actual 90210 Beverly Hills. Country, and I'll say US even though I'm not. All right, save. That's the basics of your brand setup. So that is what is going to be pulled from in terms of the contracts and everything when it says such and such, that's you, of this company at this address. It's all going to be pulled from that information that you put in there. So you have to put down your real name, your real company name. If your company name, if you're like a sole trader, if your company name is just your name, that's fine. But it has to be in there. The address of that company as well. All has to be in there, which is great. So this is all done there, but skip all of that. And then we have basically set up this lovely little company. So we're going to go settings. And as you can see, this is where you can edit it all. Branding, dashboard pool. That's not my color blue. It's slightly different. Email from name. Is it going to be the business company name or your name? These are things that you can work out on your own, and it's what you're most comfortable with. what's most important here is like we've got the basics set up. Basically, we've got the brand set up. It's that easy. What we want to really now set up is how to receive money, because if we're going to be sending invoices to people with a pay here link, basically a big button which will open a checkout for them with that amount in that they can pop in their credit card details, we need to be able to receive the money somewhere, right? So if you go to receive money, there's the dog, always. Oh my god, that dog is so noisy. So we're going to go UK, currency to receive, British pound. Perfect. Click save. And once you've set your currency, you'll get the option to connect with Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Now you can just go with PayPal if you want. Perfectly fine. I don't really know anybody who uses Square that is like a service provider as a copywriter. Personally, I use Stripe. The reason I use Stripe is because Stripe is my single payment gateway that I've linked to various different elements of my business. So if I sell products, the checkouts all link through Stripe. If I sell services, those sales go through Stripe, and I can check everything on my phone. I get updates. So I got 3 updates a day of like, boom, this payment's coming through, boom, this payment's coming through, boom, this payment's coming through, and I can just more easily manage it. I prefer Stripe because it's that one thing to set up, and it's just easier to link it to multiple customer-facing assets. So what we are going to do is we are going to connect it with Stripe. However, if you don't have a Stripe account, you're going to want to set one up. So I've set up a basic Stripe account here. This is the dashboard that you will see once you log into Stripe. All that you'll have to do is follow the basic prompts as you sign up for Stripe. We want to go down to settings. This is where I'm getting confused now because I haven't done this in so long. It's scrolled down, isn't it? There we go. So you'll want to follow everything for like account information, tax details. Branding's not so important because we're not using Stripe for the invoices. But account information, tax details, branding, you want to set up. And then you want to go to bank accounts and scheduling. Payout schedule every day. Add a bank account. So this is what you'll have to do is GP. So then you'll pop in your bank accounts details, confirm account number, add the bank account. Yeah, of course they can't find that sort of code because I made it up. But you'll want to put the bank that is linked to your services business, not your personal bank account, your business bank account. The reason is that'll make it a lot easier when it comes time to do taxes. You can just look at what's going in and out of the business account. So you'll want to link that business account through Stripe here, like that. Easily done. Once that's done, that is where any payments that go through Stripe will be paid into. So Stripe will take a cut, as will PayPal, as would Square, I assume. They will take a small cut, but it's painless to get those payments transferred. So basically then, from the invoice in Dubsado, somebody will pay you. That will then be processed through Stripe, and after a short time, it's a couple of days, it will go from Stripe into the bank account that you put here. So you've got to make sure that it is the business bank account that you use. Once that's done, you're going to want to come here, you're going to want to click connect with Stripe. Waiting for connection to Stripe. Logged in as me. You'll fill in all of these details. I don't want to do it again because maybe I should. I was going to say it's pointless. Please select my industry. Oh, domain can be verified. Okay. My God, fat fingers today. All right, perfect. And we'll go with digital products. Yeah, whatever, software as a service. Describe what you sell, whom you sell to, and then you'll describe a little bit. Wait a second. Individual sole trader, company number optional if you have it, VAT number optional if you have it, registered business address, so you'll see it's pulled that from Dubsado. Business phone optional. Pete Boyle. Yeah. I guess I've got to put these in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 01, 01. Oh no, wait. And we'll go with 76. Why not? Make me older. Your year of birth must be 4 digits. All right. 1976. Home address, yes. Credit card statement, yeah. Company. Yeah. Ooh. So yeah, this is going to be the issue here. Basically, you'll fill all of that out. 2-step authentication you can use. Basically, every time somebody tries to log into your Stripe, you'll either get a text message to confirm that it's you, or you can use the Authenticator app, and it will give you a one-time code that refreshes every 30 seconds, I think, just to make sure. So with financial stuff, I always recommend doing that 2-factor authentication, and then authorize access to this account, and that will link the Stripe account that you'll have set up once you've put in all the proper details, not like me, to Dubsado. And then basically you've got everything that you need to get going with this. You've got your business is set up in Dubsado so that all of your business details will be linked to the invoices and everything that you send out. They'll be like merged things so that you can create a template, and basically it will pull all of that information from what you've set your business up as. And when somebody pays, it will go straight through to Stripe, which will then link to your bank account. That is the foundational steps of what we need here. Basically, you set your business up and how to get paid, and those are 2 of the more important things. But in the next lesson, we're going to go through a little bit more detail on how to actually get your Dubsado account up and running properly. It's going to be templates, basically, and I will offer some free templates to help you get off to the best start. But for now, go away, do these steps, follow this, and you'll have a working Dubsado account, if nothing else. Any questions, like I said, drop them in the comments. But for now, that's all. Good luck.